You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Hello everyone. Today we're putting 3 flagship smartphones head-to-head, the OnePlus 15, Xiaomi 17, and iQOO 15. If you're a college student who loves gaming and wants a phone that can handle anything, this comparison is for you. We'll walk through their design, hardware, real-world performance, and camera systems to help you figure out which one is the best ultra-performance device for serious gaming. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Starting with the design, let's take a look at the OnePlus 15. This phone sticks to its unique sand dunes colorway, inspired by natural dune textures. The entire back has a sandy, grainy feel that you don't see often in the smartphone world. Its bezels are incredibly slim, just 1.15 millimeters on all sides, making the display look almost borderless. The screen-to-body ratio is extremely high, and the rear camera module follows a clean geometric snap-on design. No matter where you set it down, it has that signature sand dune vibe and looks absolutely premium. Moving to the Xiaomi 17, the design definitely caught attention, especially since it skipped the 16 and jumped straight to 17 with its rebrand. Many people say it resembles the iPhone style, and that buzz only grew bigger online. The standard version we have here doesn't look exactly like the rumored iPhone 17, but its build still feels refined. As a compact 6.3-inch flagship, its bezels are only 1.18 millimeters, keeping the look clean and symmetrical. The frosted metal mid-frame paired with a glass back feels high-end, and the rear camera module blends into the body color for a seamless, transparent look. The whole phone is slim and lightweight, just 8.06 millimeters thick and about 191 grams, making it super comfortable for one-hand use. As for the iQOO 15, it goes for soft curves and a matte metal mid-frame that gives it a sturdy, confident grip. The camera module sits in the top left corner inside a smooth matrix layout with no sharp edges, so even if you're gaming horizontally for long sessions, it won't dig into your hands. There's also a unique flying cloud color option with Chinese cultural elements on the back, really recognizable at a glance. It features a large 6.85-inch screen, and although the bezels aren't the thinnest, the resolution does the job well. So overall, OnePlus 15 feels minimal and stylish, Xiaomi 17 highlights a clear and modern look, while iQOO 15 stands out with its large display and eye-catching colors. Each has its own personality. Inside, all 3 phones are running the world's first Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, but the manufacturers have tuned them differently. On the OnePlus 15, you'll find features like peak gaming core technology and ultra performance mode, which help the processor push even harder. This leads to a full 165 Hz gaming experience, something you'd normally expect on a PC, not a smartphone. The iQOO 15 carries over its well-known Q3 gaming chip, enabling full-scene ray tracing and 2K gaming at 144 Hz. The visuals are sharp and gameplay feels smooth and responsive. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi 17 focuses more on camera performance and charging while offering a more traditional performance tuning approach. All 3 phones deliver top-tier CPU and GPU results backed by solid software optimization. But if we're talking pure strength, the OnePlus 15's gaming optimization and native 165 Hz support give it a slight performance advantage. In fast-paced FPS games, the fluidity is on another level. For me personally, OnePlus takes the lead here. Now, for heat dissipation and battery life. The OnePlus 15 is equipped with a second-generation ice-core cooling system, packing graphite layers, a VC vapor chamber, and multiple heat pipes inside. This setup lets the phone stay cool under pressure while optimizing performance, touch response, and network stability. iQOO, on the other hand, focuses heavily on preventing thermal throttling. It features a massive 7,300 mAh battery and supports 120-watt fast charging. Its large 8,000mm² VC chamber, combined with liquid cooling plates and graphite layers, offers industry-leading cooling. The Xiaomi 17 leans mostly on Qualcomm's built-in cooling system. It performs steadily but doesn't stand out as much. For power, it includes a 7,000 mAh Xiaomi Golden Sands battery with 100 watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. Both the OnePlus 15 and iQOO 15 also support universal fast charging standards like PPS, meaning they work with chargers from different brands without issues. The OnePlus 15 further enhances its gaming credentials with Samsung-level gaming optimization tech, a dedicated Lingxi touch chip, and a gaming network chip to keep touch response and online stability strong during high frame rate gameplay. Now let's jump into the hands-on testing to see how these three phones actually perform. Starting with benchmarks, all three are clearly sitting at flagship level. On AnTuTu, the OnePlus 15 reaches around 4 million points, the Xiaomi 17 comes in at about 3.31 million, and the iQOO 15 scores roughly 3.69 million. So on paper, they're all top contenders. Our first real test was Delta Force. On the OnePlus 15, the game held almost full frame rates even at max graphics, and that 165Hz refresh rate isn't boosted by software tricks. It's true, native 165Hz. Gameplay feels incredibly fluid, and thanks to the cooling system, temperatures stayed under control. It really earns that ultra performance label. The Xiaomi 17 running at 120Hz delivered a sharper overall picture, though the frame rate couldn't quite keep up with the OnePlus. Still, the gameplay experience was perfectly good. The iQOO 15 with its higher resolution display looked even more detailed, but under heavy load its frame rate fluctuated more noticeably. Switching to Honor of Kings, all three phones ran smoothly at full frames. Here, the OnePlus 15's 165Hz made the biggest difference. Controls felt ultra smooth and the frame rate stayed locked around 165. The Xiaomi 17 at 120Hz and the iQOO 15 at 144Hz still played well, but the difference in fluidity was obvious. To be fair, Honor of Kings doesn't really push these phones to their limits anyway. Overall, OnePlus clearly shines when it comes to high refresh rate gaming. Xiaomi stays steady and reliable without standing out in any one area. iQOO maintains balanced performance across the board. None of them have major gaming drawbacks, but in terms of pure comfort and smoothness, the OnePlus feels the nicest in hand. Even its color finish adds to the premium feel while gaming. Now let's talk cameras. All three brands equip their flagships with serious imaging hardware. The OnePlus 15 uses Oppo's quad camera system with an ultra-wide main shooter and a periscope telephoto, delivering natural and realistic photos in all types of lighting thanks to solid hardware and algorithm tuning. The Xiaomi 17 features a Leica-branded triple camera setup with a 10cm super focus capability. The images come out vibrant, crisp, and full of detail, making it a strong choice for people who love vivid photography. The iQOO 15 carries 350 megapixel lenses, main, ultra-wide, and periscope. With extra AI processing, its photos are rich in detail and have beautifully natural colors. The samples look excellent. Looking at the overall experience, the OnePlus 15, with its 165Hz display, peak gaming setup, and upgraded ice core cooling, delivers the best performance in high-load games. That ultra-high refresh rate creates a gaming experience I honestly never imagined a phone could achieve, especially in demanding titles where everything feels more stable and fluid. The Xiaomi 17, thanks to its lightweight build and strong camera system, is perfect for users who want a mix of good photography and easy portability. The iQOO 15, with its big display, solid ecosystem, and responsive touch controls, is great for players who want balanced performance and a large, immersive screen. But if your top priorities are gaming smoothness and long battery life, then the iQOO 15 stands out as the best choice for delivering a genuinely satisfying gaming experience. And that wraps up my real-world testing of these three new devices. Hope this helps you pick the right ultra-performance phone for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.